Good morning, students. Today we are going to study about oxidation and reduction reactions. Students, earlier concept of oxidation and reduction is based on the addition or removal of oxygen or hydrogen elements. So, in terms of oxygen or hydrogen, oxidation and reduction reactions can be defined as follows. Students, oxidation means addition of oxygen to a substance or removal of hydrogen from a substance. Students, reduction is removal of oxygen from a substance and addition of hydrogen to a substance. स्टूडेंट्स, अगर किसी भी रिएक्शन के अंदर किसी भी सब्सटेंस के अंदर अगर ऑक्सीजन ऐड हो रहा है या फिर किसी सब्सटेंस के अंदर से हाइड्रोजन रिमूव हो रहा है, इसका मतलब वहां पे ऑक्सीडेशन रिएक्शन हो रही है, या तो फिर हम ये बोल सकते हैं कि पर्टिकुलर सब्सटेंस जो है वो ऑक्सीडाइज हो रहा है. सेम इन केस ऑफ रिडक्शन. इफ एनी सब्सटेंस हाइड्रोजन इज एडेड, किसी भी सब्सटेंस में अगर हाइड्रोजन को ऐड किया जाता है या तो फिर उस सब्सटेंस से ऑक्सीजन को रिमूव किया जाता है, तो आप बोलेंगे कि वो सब्सटेंस जो है वो रिड्यूस हो रहा है और रिडक्शन रिएक्शन में अंडरगो हो रहा है. ओके, इट इज ऑब्वियस फ्रॉम द अबव डेफिनेशन that the process of reduction is just the opposite of oxidation. Students, the above discussion which we have done, from that you may have understood that reduction process is just the opposite of oxidation process. Also, oxidation and reduction occurs together. Students, oxidation and reduction reaction may occur together. A reaction in which oxidation and reduction reaction both are occurring, that reaction is known as redox reaction. In the name redox itself indicates that oxidation and reduction reaction are occurring. Red stands for reduction and ox stands for oxidation. Now students, we will discuss about oxidizing agent and reducing agents. So students, what is oxidizing agents? The substance which gives oxygen for oxidation is called an oxidizing agent. The substance which removes hydrogen is also called an oxidizing agent. Students, ऐसा सब्सटेंस जो कि ऑक्सीजन प्रोवाइड करे किसी दूसरे सब्सटेंस को या फिर किसी दूसरे सब्सटेंस का हाइड्रोजन रिमूव करें, उस सब्सटेंस को हम ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट बोलते हैं. Also, understand what is reducing agent. The substance which gives hydrogen for reduction is called a reducing agent. Also, the substance which removes oxygen is called a reducing agent. Students, reducing agent एक ऐसा सब्सटेंस है जो कि किसी दूसरे सब्सटेंस को हाइड्रोजन प्रोवाइड करे या फिर किसी दूसरे सब्सटेंस से ऑक्सीजन को छीन ले, रिमूव कर ले, ऐसे सब्सटेंस को हम रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट बोलते हैं. Students, all this will be clear with an example. Students, for the better understanding, please take out page number 39 of your textbook. See example 1. See the reaction in it. Reaction is when copper oxide is heated with hydrogen. Students, जब हम कॉपर ऑक्साइड को हाइड्रोजन के साथ में हीट करेंगे, then we will get copper metal and water. Students, see the reaction carefully, then only you will understand this topic. See, copper oxide. From this, what you understand that copper is having oxygen with it, and we are adding hydrogen and we are heating this mixture. After that, copper and water is formed as a product. Now, in this reaction, copper oxide is changing to copper. What we have studied, if removal of oxygen is taking place, that means what is happening over there? Reduction process is happening over there. That means copper oxide is being reduced to copper. Are you understanding it properly, students? Because कॉपर ऑक्साइड के अंदर से ऑक्सीजन अब रिमूव हो चुका है, वो ऑक्सीजन कॉपर ऑक्साइड ने हाइड्रोजन को दे दिया है, जिसके कारण H2O का फॉर्मेशन हो रहा है एंड कॉपर मेटल का फॉर्मेशन हो रहा है. ऑल्सो एडिशन ऑफ ऑक्सीजन इज व्हाट? ऑक्सीडेशन. सो वी कैन से दैट इन दिस रिएक्शन हाइड्रोजन इज ऑक्सीडाइजिंग टू वाटर. Okay, students, please see the reaction which is given above the last paragraph. This is the way to indicate a redox reaction in which both the reactions are taking place, reducing as well as oxidizing reaction. Reduction as well as oxidizing reactions are taking place. Students, now we will understand in this reaction which is the oxidizing agent and which is the reducing agent. In this reaction, hydrogen is oxidized and copper oxide is reduced. So we can say that copper oxide is oxidizing agent and hydrogen is reducing agent. As copper oxide has donated oxygen to hydrogen, उसने खुद reduce होके हाइड्रोजन को ऑक्सीडाइज किया है, मतलब वो एक ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट है, और हाइड्रोजन ने कॉपर का ऑक्सीजन छीन लिया है, उसका ऑक्सीजन ले लिया है. इसका मतलब वो खुद ऑक्सीडाइज होके दूसरों को रिड्यूस कर रहा है. इसका मतलब वो क्या है? हाइड्रोजन क्या है? रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट है. स्टूडेंट्स, also see other examples in your book. If any doubt, please let me know. One more example we will take today, that is example number 2 for the better understanding.